Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Shillong Municipal Board launches eviction drive at Kindailat. Temporary police camp to remain at Lapanga border village, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Shillong Dowki Road Package 1 to be completed by December, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. And Reboy DC launches special training program for competitive exams. And now for the news in detail. The Shillong Municipal Board SMB, along with the district administration and police, carried out an eviction drive at Kindailat, targeting street hawkers without mandatory certificates of vending. The operation faced stiff resistance as protesters clashed with officials, with some retrieving seized goods from an SMB truck. Despite repeated warnings, unauthorized vendors remained in the no vending zone. The Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association condemned the move, urging authorities to implement a fair and systematic relocation before further action. Vendors with valid COVs have been directed to shift to designated vending zones by July 22nd. Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Preston Tinsong stated that the temporary police camp at Lapanga village along the Assam-Meghalaya border will remain in place until the situation stabilizes. Addressing the media, Tinsong emphasized the government's commitment to ensuring the safety of residents in the border area. Tensions flared earlier this week after individuals from Assam planted tree saplings in Lapanga without informing Meghalaya, prompting local residents to remove the saplings and a temporary shed.
No, that one we already discussed everything. I've explained to them also that okay, I assure them that yes, security of people is very important. So as far as the differences that we have to wait till the regional committee sit down and then visit the site on the spot. Then security means like that only. Right now we created a temporary camp. So this temporary camp will continue till the situation is totally subsided.
Deputy Chief Minister and PWD in charge Preston Tinsong announced the Package 1 of the Shillong Dowki Road project from Rilbong to Upper Shillong is on track for completion by December this year. The four-lane road being implemented by NHIDCL is progressing smoothly. Once completed, it is expected to significantly reduce traffic congestion in the area and offer long-awaited relief to commuters.
I've already told the current status of the progress is very good. So as far as Package 1 is concerned, this hopefully, if everything goes well, we'll be able to complete it by December of this year. This 4 days.
The Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Reboy District, today launched a special training program to help local youth prepare for competitive job examinations. Inaugurated at Reboy College, Nongpo, under the Umling CNRD block. The program will be conducted across all blocks of the district. The event was attended by local MLA Merul Bonds AIM and other officials. Implemented under the Chief Minister's Career Guidance and Counselling Scheme with the goal of empowering and equipping the youth for better career prospects.
Shankar ban hau kilat kelenti nagun mencapai beliau category free coaching anak graduate. Idon apprenticeship berangkat dari kuliah undergraduate dan graduate dan di bawah pas graduate dan post graduate dan di bawah train apprenticeship kami dari kelompok kalau ada video yang dikai waktu atem yang dicengkeli benar tidak biar exam but ini bersuatu ini aptitude test.
The Meghalaya Boxing Association, in collaboration with the Mairang Boxing Association, conducted selection trials at Tirot Singh Memorial Hall, Pindeng Umyong, to identify young female and male boxers for the 39th National Games 2027. The event saw enthusiastic participation from local talent, with top performers shortlisted for further training in Shillong. Mairang Boxing Association Secretary F. Karmolong expresses hope that the trials would inspire more youths from the district to pursue boxing seriously.
State level junior sub junior but kadang ipai kemat second district jungi nembun kipiar riba dan bruna Allah katang ila doni player ke participate ada national umbu bador nang tahu meswa nang tahu Kevin Roy kita bagi kintai we don't like it bala join ka kilo dia academy taga kaning jing prepare jungi kelomban I'm assuming this now district susu can be susu but tip ya sports boxing jadi sports ayo.
The Sub-Divisional School Education Officer of East and West Khasi Hills, in collaboration with the district-level Nasha Mukh Bharat Abhiyan Committee and the Social Welfare Department, organised a drug awareness program and inter-school painting competition at the Deputy Commissioner's Multi-Purpose Hall in Mausawa. The event featured speeches by government officials and saw enthusiastic participation from students and teachers. The program concluded with distribution of prizes and cash awards to competition winners, recognizing their efforts in spreading awareness through art.
अलग चीज नहीं और अगर प्रोजेक्ट कंपनी टेक्निकल प्रोजेक्ट होगी यहाँ पे ठीक राइट ये यो हमने प्रोजेक्ट हमरे नरकी ठीक पर परक्तु परक्तु लिमिट ini itu pada asyik mereka dalam sesuatu senior di kunci citizen nilai balik kutip di atas bahaya yang cuma ane sehingga kenapa bahaya yang nilai jawaban I can still make the one.
The Committee on Petitions of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, in collaboration with the Deputy Commissioner's Office of Riphoi District, held an awareness program at Science Hall, Nongpo. Attended by 4 MLAs and district officials, the program focused on educating the public about the committee's role, petition submission procedures and addressing community concerns. The session included real-life examples and an interactive discussion, fostering greater civic engagement and transparency. Kanra Lingdo from Limekra has alleged that she was duped by a US-based company, Look Cultural Media Limited, which claimed to offer jobs and aid to underprivileged. After paying a 2,500 joining fee and working for long hours since October 31st, Lingdo was promised a salary hike and promotions but later found her payments blocked. She introduced others to the company, which eventually shut down without notice, leaving many unpaid. A police complaint has been filed and authorities assure appropriate action will follow.
Ngakwa pensyayang ni bagi tu ki berjoin ni obnai Jun ki klam yo ya ka no ka jungki kata dengan pensyayang hendai ki boleh join cekmat baru ki la ada ra ya ka try ke jungki syala dia boleh syukur. I hope all will support me. Thank you so much.
A new grassroots centre under the Mission Football Initiative was inaugurated at Senduli Village, West Khasi Hills by District Sports Officer Balarina Saim. Held at the village playground, the event saw participation from local leaders, elders and enthusiastic children who showcased football drills. Saim lauded local MLA Methodius Dakar from driving development in the Maushinrat region and encouraged children to pursue both sports and academics with discipline and dedication.
Menta ngidon hamiru yakini ki ngilapawan ni kini ki coaches arngot kiban ajing hikai khamba shushu yapi but ngingit scam bapiru pinedon pinetrashitom nado ka basrang ni ho ngidon la ki jong ki tingket clear ngidon la ki jong ki responsibility.
The All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association has announced the inaugural state-level kickboxing championship set to take place on September 12 and 13, 2025 at the Bharat Scouts and Guides premises in Shillong. President Samuel Hassa said the event celebrates the association's 10th anniversary and aims to identify young talent in the sports. Clubs, schools and colleges across the state are invited to register by contacting 8731022338.
You would know the state level kickboxing championship. Kawan sabang maka Qatar berkali tarik jumlah naik September jarak besar. But you belong ngebat ini belum yang mereka jaga hantai atau ke pulau juga Meghalaya Barat Scout and Guides atau Shillong. Dengan belum hantai yang mereka first level kickboxing championship. The kumshidum ta rakai yang kita shikosran bahaka juga koru ban ailat ban pli kalat iki kena samlah jungi yutai bacindra ban pemi yang kasar pon jumuki hapo kanega jalla kajuni.
Two serious accidents on National Highway 6 have raised concerns over dangerous driving practices. A fatal hit and run involving a motorcycle near Yalong West Giant Hills claimed one life and left another critically injured after being struck by an unknown heavy vehicle. Earlier, an Ignis car overturned near Umkaliar due to overspeeding, injuring two passengers while two others fled the scene. Police investigations are underway as authorities call for stricter enforcement to curb reckless driving. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 66%. Moving on to Shillong, 18.4 degrees Celsius minimum temperature and maximum temperature 26.5 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 83%. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 80%, and forecast in Tura, Shillong and July says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. And now for the headlines once again. Shillong Municipal Board launches eviction drive at Kindailat. Temporary police camp to remain at Lapangap border village, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Dinso. Shillong Dauki Road Package 1 to be completed by December, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Dinso. And Rebhoy DC launches special training program for competitive exams. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.